y'all might as well save this video now for y'all next vacation. Hey y'all, welcome to Letters to 30. I'm Nicole. Thanks for clicking on this video. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a fun one. And as you can see, I'm not home. I'm at LAX airport. Stuff in my face because I'm about to take a flight to Cancun to meet up with my girls at Playa del Carmen. I'm so excited, okay? And I wanted to come on to show y'all a few things that I brought with me that I love, okay? That I recommend, that I suggest, that I'm just gagging over, okay? And I don't have much time. It is 8 o'clock. My flight board's at 9:30. So we're gonna keep this quick, keep this cute, keep this brief. And yes, so stick along for the items and just know we about to have a good time this week, okay? So the thing about my channel, if you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Like, comment, and subscribe right now. But the thing about this channel is all about taking care of ourselves from the inside out. While we go after our dreams, a lot of ambitious girlies and guys are watching and following, and I'm just so happy you joined. But we got to get outside and live our best lives too. That's all about taking care of ourselves. So plan your vacation, plan your trip, plan your fun. Y'all see me travel for work. I'm traveling with the girlies. Phone on D&D, away message on. Okay, let's start with that. That's most important. That's the reason for this channel. So that's why I'm doing this video, because I want to show y'all that we got to take care of ourselves, and that means taking time off. Okay, now that we've got that out the way, let's get into what I love, my essentials. I can't do it right now because there's water in it, but this compacts, it's a water bottle, and you can attach it onto a bag. So I've been attaching it onto my bag, and it's nice because it collapses, so it goes all the way down. It has water in it. I gotta finish this before I board, okay, so I don't get my bag stopped. But I was looking for a travel water bottle, and I found this one on Amazon. It was like $10, and I love it. So this is my essential number one. If you are a travel girly and you need to stay hydrated because we're taking care of ourselves from the inside out, then you need to have this on you. It is so clutch, especially in Mexico. It's hot, and I can clip this on my bag wherever we go, okay? So now that we've got that out the way, let's get into these earrings. So I ordered these earrings a while ago, and I knew that they were going to be for this trip. Yeah, they are so cute. Look how cute they are, y'all. You see the seashells? So yeah, I got these specifically for this trip. Because they're so fire. Obviously, you see they're from Fashion Nova. They were only like $10 maybe. But I love them, and when I saw them, I was like, oh yeah, these are for my next vacation. And look, here we are. So okay, so that's item number 2. This is my third item. Bam, my little brassiere top from Ghana. Y'all see it? So this top, I love this top. I got this from Ghana, as I said. Let me show y'all again. And it's so fire. This can be dressed up, dressed down, and it is quality. Handmade, you can just feel, and like look at the inside. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Look at the pattern inside. Oh, it's so pure, so authentic. Quality. I paid a pretty penny for this, but it's from Ghana. It's going to, you know, it's going to be passed down to the kiddos and all the kiddos, but for vacation, it's a top I can't just pop out and wear anytime, all right? Like, I have to come ready with this. So this is for vacation and pop out with it once a year. So hopefully I can get a good picture in it. All right, so this is I don't know if this was meant to be a cover-up, but this is a dress. Here is a dress that I'm going to wear. It's from Zara. Let me put it down. But you see this dress. It is from Zara. It's a small, which is not my size, but it works. I make it work, okay? But I bought it from Zara, and I was like, you know, this is a cute cover-up dress, and I never really wore it on vacation, except for once. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pop out with this, and this is just quality, a quality cover-up. Let me tell you, it's important, and I'm going to wear this over top of a brown strapless bathing suit, one piece. So I'm excited for that. And then we have this cutesy top. I know my girlies who like to be a little naked and whatever on vacation probably like, girl, where are you going? You going on a business trip with this? But I don't care. I'm a little auntie. I am an auntie. I'm a certified auntie for this next one. Look at this top. It's so cute. So cute. It's giving I have somewhere to go, like professional. It's giving pop my collar. I'm going to the golf course. But I love it. It's a navy blue. It is from Nautica, the outlets of Nautica. So check them out. But yeah, I got this. This was like half off. So it was like 18 bucks. So I love this and I'm excited to wear it. It's just a classic, nice top that is quality. We are talking quality over here, y'all. Okay, guys. So this next item, I think this is my fourth item. Yeah, I think so. Is this... They're watching. I don't care. I'm like, is this Nike? It's like a Drake collab romper. And this is for like my active girlies. And I don't know what we really are planning that's active. But let me show you some of the details in it. It has that camouflage. Here's the top. This is a medium Nokta. And yeah, you always have to have a nice little cute little like active onesie piece going on in this thing. So that's what I got because I want to be cute while we're active. And I don't even know what we're going to be doing active wise. But I know that I'm going to be cute while I'm doing it. And it could be a casual. It could be a very casual walking in the city. I'm going to be cute. So that is an essential for me, a cute, active piece of onesie material, okay? Then last but not least, because the girlies are watching. The girlies are watching. I'm feeling a little intimidated, guys. I'm feeling a little intimidated. And also I need to go check my bag. Okay? Because I need to go check my bag because it's 8:14. So this is the last dress. You guys can't really see how fire it is, but y'all see that clinched waist? And here's the top. You really can't see how sexy this is, but that clinched waist, it's a long dress, material is fire, and look at this, y'all. H&M, blast from the past. Best part about it, that was the best part about it, y'all, is that price tag. H&M was having a big sale, so I went right on in, got that dress for $10. So I would say for that last item, find a cute dress that's not expensive but gets the job done. So that right there, my friends, are my essentials for this trip. You want to make sure that you are buying pieces that last for your next vacation too. And what I love about this vlog is that each item came from a different place. This from Amazon. My bra bustier top is from Accra, Ghana, independent designer. My black and white cover up is from Zara. My blue professional, look like I'm about to go on a golf course, but blouse is from Nautica. The red dress is from H&M, and the Nike Drake onesie active wear fit is from Nike. So I'm telling y'all, like, diversify your closet and do what you need to do. All right, I'm about to go because I'm running late and I need to stop playing around with LAX as if I won't make it through security. I have a flight to catch, friends to see, life to live. I love you guys so much. As always, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.